computer forensics. And so the main class, now you have a Canvas, which is the learning management system, but I put most of everything that matters on my own page, samsclass.info. You should know about this page. And so I keep my stuff off the campus college servers as much as possible because the college gets in the way a lot. For example, they will shut everything the last day of class. So anybody that wants more time, tough, you just can't have it. And nobody can get in unless they're officially enrolled as a student, and I let people in who aren't officially enrolled. Anything, I like to put things on my own server. So the college Canvas is there, and it's a place you can see the lectures and take quizzes and turn in homework. But you'll find that all the materials telling you what to do are in fact on my separate server, so it's under my control because I've been teaching online a lot longer than the college has. Anyway, so, all right, so the purpose of this class is to describe computer forensics. Computer forensics is researching machines. The original purpose of it was for crime, to find out when crimes are committed on computers to get evidence for police prosecutions. But it expanded from that into quite a few more things. But this is the original forensics, mainly oriented towards getting prosecutable evidence off a computer. But there are 4 related disciplines, all of which use the same tools and techniques. There's computer forensics for prosecuting criminals. There is data recovery, what I just mentioned at DriveSaver, recovering data that has been lost on a broken machine or by accidentally deleting it, which is very much the same process. There is incident response, which is analyzing the evidence on computers to find out what an attacker has done, how they got in, what damage they did, and how to kick them off. Again, very much the same thing, analyzing a computer to see what's been going on this machine. And the last one is e-discovery. If you do a business in America, you will have a steady stream of lawsuits. You'll have to have a team of lawyers protecting you, and you will constantly be sued for this and that, and you will get discovery orders saying, you have been sued for illegally using Java. You must report all documents from your company about how you use Java in your products for the last 7 years. This is what happened to Google. They made Android based on Java, and Sun and then Oracle sued them, saying they had violated the license agreement, and for years they had to do that. So you'll get an order from the court saying you have something like 90 days to cough up every document on this topic. You now have to scan all your computers and find every document of that type, which is, again, a very similar task, hunting through a disorganized pile of information to find all the data. And so these all use very similar tools, and they're all big, exploding fields. Now, you'll have slides. I don't have slides in this course, Corinne. What I have is in Canvas, there's just sort of a summary of it in sort of a book form is what I'm going to use instead of slides. I've inherited this from Irvin, so I'm using his stuff. All right. So anyway, let's see if I've got anything else useful here. All right. That's the catalog description of the class. I think that's not very exciting. All right. So this is the Canvas Shell City College Canvas. And so there are quizzes and there are hands-on projects to do. And so your grade comes from the quizzes and the hands-on projects, and 90%'s an A, 80%'s a B, and so on. And I will put announcements in here showing what point totals are required to get certain grades at midterms and finals. So nobody should be surprised at what grade they're getting. All right, are there any questions? Does anybody come to add? If you want to add, that's fine. I'll add people, whoever wants to. Just make a request inside the system, and I'll approve it. Well, let's all right. There's a textbook, and you can get a free copy of it online, as explained here from the City College Library, or you can get the actual book. And everything that happens, you do not have to physically attend class at all. I'm here in Science 37, and you can physically attend if you want to, but if you prefer, you can just tune in online. I have a Twitch page, which is where this is all streaming right now, twitch.tv/Sam Bown. Also, you can view the lectures later as recorded YouTubes. If you don't even want to connect at the official time at all, that's fine. The YouTube videos will go on this page, the same French course page. And the other thing, if you need help at any time, you can come to any of my classes. I don't lecture for 3 hours. I think that would be a violation of the Geneva Convention. Like all the lecture stuff is over by an hour and a half. And then I answer questions from any class. So if you need help, you can come to this class, or you can come to any of my other classes Monday through Thursday at 7:30 night. You can come to this room or tune in on Twitch and ask for help. And helping students remotely, it works pretty well. What we do is use Zoom, and they can share their desktop. And then they can show me what they're doing, and that works pretty well. And okay. I think that's all the essential stuff about course mechanics. So let me stop this recording.